Morning, students. Welcome back to our English class. I hope you are all are fine. In the previous class, we have learnt a poem, Rain on the Roof, and I have explained it to you. So, in this video, we are going to discuss the question and answers of the poem Rain on the Roof. So, first of all, we will see the questions given in the book, and in this poem, there are basically short type of questions, and we will see some extra questions also from the poem. So, let's discuss the questions given in the book first. So, what is the first question, children? What do the following phrases mean to you? Discuss. So, the first one is humid shadows, and the answer will be shadows of various things which are wet during the rainy season. Let's see the second one. Starry spears. What do you mean by starry spears? And the meaning is star or group of stars in the sky. See the third one. What a bliss means it is a great blessing. See the fourth one, children. A thousand dreamy fancies into busy being start. So the answer will be the poet starts feeling into his body thousands of dream like fancies due to the falling of the rain. Now we'll see the fifth one. A thousand recollections weave their air threads into woof. What does this phrase mean? It means when it rains, hundreds of memories come to the poet's mind. Then they weave a weft with the help of air threads. Now we'll see the second question. What does the poet like to do when it rains? And the answer will be the poet likes to feel the presence of his mother when it rains. It is a blessing for him. Now we'll see the third question. What is the single major memory that comes to the poet? Who are the darling dreamers here he refers to? And the answer will be the poet's mother is the single major memory that comes to the poet. Darling dreamers are those children who dream of their mothers like the poet. Now we'll see the fourth question. Is the poet now a child? Is his mother still alive? So the answer will be the poet is not a child but is grown up. His mother is not alive but he still remembers her much. Now we will see some more questions. These are short type of questions and you have to answer them in 30 to 40 words. So what is the first question? When you were a young child, did your mother tuck you in as the poets did? So you can write this answer in your own words, children, and your own situation. Here I am giving the answer according to me. So the answer will be yes, I remember my mother used to tuck me in when I was a child. Whenever I said that I couldn't walk, she would lift me in her lap and carry me. She used to be worried whenever something happened to me. So this is answer number 1. Now we'll see question number 2. Do you like rain? What do you do when it rains steadily or heavily as described in the poem? So the answer will be yes, I greatly like the rain. I go out in the rain when it is light. But when it rains steadily or heavily, I do not go in it. It is very pleasant to get wet in rain during summer. Now we'll see question number 3. Does everybody have a cozy bed to lie in when it rains? Look around you and describe how different kinds of people or animals spend time, seek shelter, etc. during rain. Children, this answer also you can write in your own words. So what is the answer? No, not all have a cozy bed to lie in when it rains. However, the number of persons having such a comfort is increasing. I've seen many persons enjoying rainy seasons by eating and drinking hot tea. Various animals are caught in the rain. Many of them keep standing in it, but many go under a cover. People do not go out on the roads when it rains, so they stand and wait for it to stop. Rains do bring in some problems also. These check people's activities. Now, children, we will see some extra questions. And what are they? The first question. What thoughts flash through the poet's mind when it rains? And the answer will be when it rains, the tinkle has an echo in the poet's heart. He experiences many dreamy fancies in his heart. His heart is filled with 1,000 memories. These memories are like a weft of a cloth to be woven. Now we'll see one more question. How does the poet find it a bliss to feel when it rains? So the answer will be when it rains, the poet finds it a bliss to press the pillow in a cottage room bed. One gets great pleasure to lie listening to the pattering sound of the soft rain. Seeing the rain is always pleasant. However, too much rain causes many problems. So this is your answer number 2. Now let's see one more question. When does the poet remember his mother? How does he do so? So the answer will be the poet remembers his mother when he listens to the patter of the rain on the roof. She used to dream sweet fancies during the night. He feels her fond look on him as he listens to the music of the rain. This comes when the rain falls on the small stones. So, children, these are some extra questions from the poem. You can write these questions in any rough copy. Okay, thank you.